I'm an apprentice engineering technician working in the sheet metal industry. My role varies from day to day because I'm an apprentice. I go around all the different sections learning new skills. One day I can be welding and another day I'll be helping robotic measuring arms. We make subparts for other companies. An awful lot of them end up on trains and buses. It's quite exciting to see something. I helped make some of them the other day. When growing up, my thought of engineering was just old men in sheds with hammers. But when I was about 11, I saw a documentary about the McLaren factory and there was a female apprentice. I saw her working and I saw how interesting the factory was and thought, actually no, I can see myself doing that. With technical roles, you are always learning because there's always new technology. If you're a problem solver, then being a technician's definitely the way you should go.